We are at IFA 2019, and we're taking a look at the Lenovo Yoga S740. Straight ahead. Welcome back, guys. It's Alex from TECHAERIS.com, and I am still at IFA 2019, and we're looking at the Lenovo Yoga S740. Comes in a 14 and a 15-inch version. This is an all-metal, ultra-slim laptop. It's portable, and it has multitasking power. 15-inch Full HD HDR display with Dolby Vision at 500 nits, which I am very excited about. I like my panels bright. 500 nits is awesome. Brighter's better, but 500 nits is a good start. Also comes with True Block Privacy Shutter, and it uses Alexa or Microsoft Cortana as a voice assistant. You can use that from 13 feet away with the far-field mics. Let's give a quick overview here on the specs. The 14-inch version will give you an Intel Core i7 or an Intel Core i5, that is the 10th generation. The 15-inch will come in with a Core i9, a Core i7, or a Core i5. You'll get Windows 10 at home. As for graphics, on the 14-inch you have the option of the GeForce MX250 with 2 gigs of RAM, or the Intel HD 620 integrated graphics. On the 15-inch, you have the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650. You have a PCIe SSD. You can hit a 256, a 512, or a 1 terabyte. For audio, you have user-facing Dolby Atmos speaker system on the 14-inch. And on the 15-inch, you also have a Dolby Atmos speaker system with Smart Amp. For battery power, the 14-inch has up to 15 hours with a Full HD display. And the UHD display has up to 10 hours. The 15-inch version has a Full HD display up to 14 hours, or if you get the UHD display, that's up to 10 hours. That is it for this video, guys. That has been the Lenovo Yoga S740. If you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you hit that notification bell, and we will talk to you guys on the other side.